Hello guys, welcome to my channel and yet another video. In this video we'll find out top 5 programming languages to watch out in 2021, and stay until the end of the video because I got some big news for everybody. Yeah, so let's go. Alright, if you are new to programming, then this is the perfect video to watch because we're gonna talk about the programming language that will have huge impact in future in 2021, and this info is from reliable sources. So promise you guys, if you start your career, your journey with one of these languages that we're going to discuss, then you'll never ever regret your decision. Yeah, I promise you that, and you're welcome because you'll thank me later. So if you are the beginner, then watch this video until the end, and if you think you are the pro, then let me know if you agree with my list down in the comment section. So let's go. Yes, in number 5 we have C or C++, guys. It was first created in 1980s, which is the extension of C, and back then it was called the new C or the C with classes, but then later it changed into C++ because it was the better version of a C. Also, this language, the reason why we have Java or C#, because those languages were influenced by C or C++. So from the research, about 25% of developers use these languages, and there are almost about 5.4 millions of active developers all around the world. So it's one of the top 5 languages that developers want to learn in 2021 because it's used everywhere, like from embedded system to Windows, your Apple computers, from 3D softwares to IoT, and even your favorite browsers, Firefox and Google Chrome, they're also written in C. So yeah, you could do a lot of things just knowing C or C++. So let's go to number 4. Yes guys, in number 4 we have C#. It was developed by Microsoft in 2002 and was called cool. Since it was the better version of C++, it was named C#, sharp. So from research, about 31% of developers use these languages, and there are about 6.2 millions of active developers all around the world, and globally about 17,000 of jobs are advertised each month. Can you believe it, guys? Each month 17,000 of jobs, because it's used everywhere. It's used for developing application for embedded system or Windows application. It's used by Unity, which is the largest commercial game engines, of course, to develop games. And if you want to get job in Microsoft, then this is the perfect language for you, but not limited to it, because it's a huge company and it does not matter it's a C# or Java, but C#, if you are good in C#, then of course there is a huge chance. So let's go to number 3. Yes, it is your favorite language, Python. It was first created in 1991, and just so you know, it wasn't named after a snake, rather it was named after a British TV show, Monty Python. So from the research, about 41% of developers use this language, and there are about 7 millions of active developers all around the world. And from the survey, it's one of the most popular and fastest growing languages of all, which is used in machine learning, artificial intelligence, data science, etc, and etc. I mean, this language is something different, man. Like, everybody loves this language, which can be seen from the fact that Google users have constantly searched for Python much more than they have searched for Mia Khalifa, Donald Trump, Tom Cruise, whatever you name it. So yeah, this is the popular language, and this language is used by biggest companies like Google, YouTube, Spotify, Facebook, you name it. So there is only going forward after learning this language. Alright, let's go to our number 2. Yes, we have number 2, Java, in our list. It's one of the most popular server-side programming languages used all over the world, and was first developed in 1991 and was called Oak, but it was first released and officially called Java in 1995. And from the research, about 41% of developers use Java, and there are almost like 7.1 millions of active developers all around the world. So you can say Java is one of the most invisible force behind every every desktop application to web application, from supercomputers to gaming, like from Android application to IoT. I mean, it's used everywhere. So about 95% of enterprises use Java as their primary languages. So you can say every company you can name uses Java as one of their languages for development. And one fact about Java, Java gets downloaded 1 billion times in a year. 1 billion times every year. So it's widely used all over the world, and in my opinion it's one of the easiest languages to learn because it's my go-to language as well. So yeah, it's go ahead and learn this language. All right, let's move to our number one. Can you guess it? Let's go. Yes sir, you guessed it right. It's JavaScript. It's one of the most popular client-side scripting language. It was created in 1995, which took only 10 days to develop. Yeah, and back then it was called Mocha, but then later it changed to JavaScript and becomes your most popular programming languages. So from the research, about like 69% of developers use these languages, and there are about 12 million developers, active developers all around the world. So today about 95% of websites, which is about 1.5 billions of websites, use JavaScript, including Google, Microsoft, Facebook, YouTube, like every company. So in my opinion, this language is used by 100% of the companies, like all of it. Every company uses this language. So if you want to be a developer, then you should know this language. Alright guys, we've come to the end of our video. Now it's an announcement time. Hey guys, welcome to the announcement board. In my next video, I'll provide free template for your personal website. I'll walk you through all the steps to set it up. So subscribe to this channel and tune into the next video. So this is my personal website. Your website will also look something like this. This will be you. So this will be, there will be description about you and your projects. So everything. Here is the navbar. So there you will have your resume, and you will have your portfolio, contacts, and whatever you want to do with this template. So yeah, I'll walk you through how to set up for everybody. So yeah, this is going to be interesting and fun. Guys, if you like my content, then please do give a thumbs up to my video. Comment down if you have any questions, and do not forget to subscribe, because that gets me motivated, that gets me going. Stay safe, love everybody. I will see you in the next video.